In front of me is the beautiful, well-built, majestic monument to mark the arrival of the British settlers in 1820. We may recall that this happened after the two wars fought in this area. It was the War of 1811 to 1812, which marked the establishment of a town called Grahamstown. Now they call the town Makhanda. Then in 1819 was the Battle of Grahamstown, in which Amaxhosa were mowed down by the British artillery. That war was probably the only decisive war in which Amaxhosa were defeated by the British. So we stand here looking at this beautiful monument in the city of Makhanda.